Meaning of entrant.
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 Entrant. The word entrant refers to a person or thing that enters or takes part in a competition, an event, or an organization. It can also refer to someone who is new to a particular field or profession. The term is commonly used in the context of sports, job applications, and competitions. For example, in a marathon race, all participants are considered as entrants. Similarly, in an art contest, all artists submitting their work are considered as entrants. Entrant is essentially a synonym for participant.